Hygiene is essential in the food and beverage industry. Validated cleaning and sanitation procedures, as well as strict hygiene practices, are key elements to mitigate food safety risks. Any incident that compromises food safety could lead to health issues for the consumer, with disastrous consequences to your business. Not only in terms of legal responsibility, but also in terms of brand reputation, which could ultimately negatively impact your bottom line. Having a well-trained workforce that recognizes hygiene issues is an important step to avoiding such serious scenarios. The workers' skill gap is one of the main challenges the global food and beverage industries are facing today. According to a recent survey by The Economist, 50% of food companies positioned labor, and more specifically skilled labor, as their #1 challenge. The demand for a qualified workforce in the sector is clear in all countries. While the need to address workforce skills is key to boost growth and competitiveness, more active steps need to be carried out to improve education and training systems in the industry. Providing a system that ensures the workforce is trained to perform to their best may pose additional challenges. Face-to-face training might take place during production time, affecting the overall productivity of your process, and can also require significant investment. Taking into account the constant flow of personnel, on-site training systems might be complex to manage and very costly. How can you ensure that your people are constantly trained in the best and cost-effective way without draining your resources? The Hygiene Academy offers a state-of-the-art e-learning technology that allows you to manage knowledge transfer while having traceability of the training activity. Why should you consider the Diversey Hygiene Academy platform? First, because the tool is specific to the food and beverages industries. The training solutions fit your needs like no other tool does. The courses cover the full range of skills your staff needs to perform their cleaning and sanitation tasks. From standard to advanced courses, our platform is structured in 4 main categories. Essential courses that cover the foundation principles of hygiene to enable your employees to build an understanding of the role and importance of food hygiene. Application courses developed for specific hygiene-related applications present in the food and beverage industry, such as open plant cleaning, cleaning in place systems, and membrane cleaning. Process courses dedicated to site-wide best practices such as hygienic design and good manufacturing practices to optimize your cleaning and sanitation procedures. Specific microbe control courses, a unique approach towards the control and reduction of food safety risks within your process to tackle the most challenging food safety threats and potential microbial food contamination causes. All of our courses are certified by the Continuing Professional Development Certification Service, which gives you the extra peace of mind that your employees are receiving the best training available. The Diversey Hygiene Academy platform offers efficient training, tracking, and provides consistent training regardless of the number of people and sites within your business. Having the capability to manage and track the development of courses down to the employee level, from enrollment to completion and final evaluation score, makes training easier to manage. The platform also allows you to create, print, and digitally sign training certificates, setting expiration policies according to your organizational needs. The Diversey Hygiene Academy platform is a flexible solution that allows you to customize the user experience and enable learning anytime, on any device, and in multiple languages. The tool offers you bottom-line savings by reducing the time, logistics, and operational costs associated with face-to-face training. Your business will not only benefit from a trained workforce, but achieve operational savings. Leverage our hygiene expertise with the best digital tool available and take your training systems to another level. Contact us to get started.